1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, start the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, follow. 5, 6, 7. We're going to open up on 1. Left hand's leaning forward. Drag with the right. 2. Bring the right hand back over the head. Start pulling with the left. 3. We're going back to back, but the left arm is going to stay low. The right hand's going to come across as we rotate our frame. 5. Check down the arm on 6, 7 as we mark our time in place. Going to let go of the right hand. Guys, we're going to start turning to the left, pulling on the left hand to start turning her. 1. I'm going to start looking for her other hand on 2. I'm flaking that one out. So on 3, I'm going to keep pushing it that way. So she's going to turn in place as I turn left. 3. We're going to complete the turn on 5. 5, catching the opposite wrist. So now we're going to flick it on 6 as we do a back charge, catching the wrist 6, 7 off the slot. So now left arm is going to go over the head on 1, turning her. 1, it comes down, switch to the other hand. 2, go over her head. 3, guys are starting to turn to the left, keeping the hands to the ribs, so she's going to stay close on 5. 5. So now I'm going to catch open hands, stepping to the side. 6, give her a quick left turn on 7. So now guys are going to go to the right on 1, bring the right hand down as we face her on 2. So now I'm going to give her a quick right on 3, over the head, back charge 5. When I do this back charge, I'm going to switch the grip to palm up on 6, 7. So now I'm going to be prepping her on 1. So I'm going to be pulling with this right hand as the left hand goes behind her back. 1, flicking that right hand up. I'm going to bring her forward on 2. We're going to go back to back quickly. 3, follow 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Inside turn. 1, 2. Turn 3, 5. Follow up prep on 6, 7. Now you're gonna start turning to the right on 1. Keep turning 2. Keep turning to the right 3, 5. Open up on 6, 7. Now you're gonna turn right away on 1. To the left, 1, 2, 3, 5. On 6, you're going to take a step to the side. 6, quick turn to the left, 7. Now you're going to step in place on 1, prep on 2, turn to the left on 3, back on 5, 6, 7. Now you're going to do a prep, half turn to the left on 1. Now turn to the right, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6.
Hi guys, it's Angie from Casa Salsa. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out our other free videos with tips and tricks for the dance floor. Make sure you subscribe to the link below so you don't miss any of our new upcoming content. And if you look in the description, you'll find a link to our website to get access to exclusive content. And if you want to take a live class with us, you can do so as well. Link on the description. See you next time.